Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we have another Tacoma compilation for you guys to enjoy. We're going to start off with this 3rd generation Army Green Tacoma Tier D Off-Road 4x4. This one's going with a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite setup with Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms, a Deaver add-a-leaf system, and some new wheels and tires. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing, and if you've been here before and still haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please show us some support and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you a penny. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with a set of BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2s in a 285/70/17 that we wrapped in a Method MR 703 bead grip wheel. These Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series shocks come with dual speed compression adjustments for both low and high speed compression. If you're looking for a lift setup for your 3rd generation Tacoma, we have a ton of options on our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We do have them pre-packaged, pre-adjusted, and pre-assembled in most cases, so you can install them the same day you receive them in the mail. We'll show some 4th gen Tacomas in a bit, but here let's continue on to the next 3rd generation Tacoma that we're doing a body mount chop on. We're lifting this red taco on a set of Bilstein 6112s up front with some SPC ball joint upper control arms. The rear gets our adder leaf from Deaver and a 5160 rear shock. The body mount chop is to help clear a 17x9 -12 Feel Off-Road Rebel 6 wheels. We're wrapping it up in a 285/70/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W. This one is now complete, so we're going to bring it out for a quick test drive. Our shop is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone during regular business hours, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. We have multiple warehouses fully stocked with all the parts that you desire, at the best prices guaranteed. Next up, we have this 4th generation Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This one just received a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. We've just installed that and now are installing a set of Lock Off-Road Baja wheels. Who's a fan of the 4th generation Tacoma? Who prefers the 3rd gen? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Next up, we have a new 4th gen Tacoma in bronze oxide. This one's getting a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup along with some Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms. We now stock the full line of Elevate suspension upper control arms. We have them for most popular applications available on our website. And here's the all-new RRW RR7V flow-formed wheels with a simulated beadlock. These have a matte black face with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring. We're installing these on the Tacoma with a set of Nito Ridge grapplers in a 285/75/17 size, which equates to about a 34-inch tire. Our tech is wrapping up the installation for the Elevate suspension upper control arms. Wheels and tires are on here, so we're gonna back it out now for a quick test drive. We have another 4th generation Tacoma coming right up. This one's getting the blue Rancho shocks installed on here with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms. I'm just kidding, you guys know these are kings. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with a set of Method MR 316s with a 285/75/17 tire. We have a magnetic gray metallic 3rd generation Tacoma that's in next for a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC shock setup and some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and a Deaver add-a-leaf in the back. As our techs mount up the reservoir for the front coilovers on the 3rd gen, we have a 4th generation Tacoma TRD Sport coming in. This one's also going with a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC Evo adjusters. Here's a closer look at the 3rd gen with the Deaver add-a-leaf installed above the overload spring. Front Fox shocks have been adjusted to about 3 inches of lift and installed there. Wheels and tires on this one are going to be the RRW RR7V simulated beadlock flow-formed wheels in a 17x8.5 0 offset in the matte black face with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring. And here are the EIBACH springs installed with the wheels and tires. Wheels and tires on this one are the Method MR 305s in double black, 17.8.5 with a plus 25 offset with some 285/75/17. Here's a 17x8.5 -10 offset KMC IMS wheel with a 285/75/17 needle ridge grappler that we're installing on a Tacoma here. This is a 3rd generation Tacoma going with a king suspension setup with Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and a Deaver leaf. We're doing a body mount chop on this one also so that it can clear the 285/75/17s. And here's the completed front end of the 4th generation Tacoma TRD Sport with the Fox 2.5 DSC Evo shocks and Camburg Kinetic Series billet uniball upper control arms. Our tech is wrapping up the installation for the King shocks here on the 3rd gen. As you can see, Nito has marked the tire as a 34-inch outside diameter with an 11.5-inch width for the 285/75/17 size. This 4th gen TRD Sport is almost complete. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive next. 17 by 8.5 with the -10 offset wheel is going to fit nicely on here with the 285/75/17s with our body mount chop. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Next up, we have another 3rd generation Tacoma in Army Green. This one's in for a new suspension setup, Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSCs. This one's going to be set at about 3 inches of front lift, 1.5 inch in the back with the Deaver leaf system, Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms in the front, and we're keeping the wheels that it came in with in 16-inch and upsizing to a 285/75/16 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W. And what a beautiful suspension setup this is. It looks so good and performs even better. And you gotta love the clean look of the bronze OEM Plus wheels with the 285/75/16 Falcon tires on here. To enhance the look of the front end and increase visibility at night, we've also installed a set of Morimoto XB headlights on this Tacoma. And just like that, it's a wrap for today's video. We hope you guys have enjoyed all the Tacomas that we have showcased, and hopefully it helped you somehow, some way. If you need help building your Tacoma, swing by our showroom in Boulder Park anytime and we'll get you set up. That's it for now, folks. And until next time, take care of yourself.